Good morning, candidates. This is regarding the questions that can be of use for, say, our law officer, law officer, then deputy manager, law, and also for it. Similar questions or easy questions can be asked in SBI CBO interview also. So I thought it is worth giving all these questions here. First question is, what is the scope of the work of the law officer in banks? See, normally law officers, what they do, they follow the suit filed accounts. They go through the opinions given by lawyers and they satisfy themselves about correctness and also assist the branches whenever they come across some legal problems. Then tell me something about Clayton's rule. First credit goes towards adjustment of the first debit. Those who are working in bank will know, those who are studied commerce will know. First credit will go towards adjustment of the first debit. For example, in a partnership account, a partner dies and before his death, the partnership firm has been given 10 lakhs overdraft. Subsequent to his death, some monies are credited to the account. What they will do, they will go towards reducing the liability of the estate for the debts owed by the firm. What is the difference between valid and voidable contract? This is mainly for law entrance people only, not necessarily for, of course, for SBI, CBO, they can ask because you all are supposed to have studied JAB, you must be knowing it. Tell me the types of mortgages with special reference to equitable mortgage. Good question. Equitable mortgage. Please go through the material already provided by me under SBI CBO. What is the difference between mortgage, hypothecation, charges under which provision of CPC you cannot arrest a female for civil liabilities? Difference between fixed and floating charges. What is the difference between manager and leader? Tell me about your strengths and weaknesses. What do you think about abrogation of Article 370? What do you think about the amendments in RTI Act? Tell me the difference between universal gift and onerous gift. I think this is more for lawyers only. I don't follow this. Universal gift, onerous gift. Anybody knows answer? Kindly put it in the comments. Tell me something about mercy killing case. What do you think about Supreme Court judgment on this? Why rental agreement is of 9 months? Why not more than 12 months? What is the difference between arbitration conciliation? What do you think about the judgment of Sabarimala? That was relevant then, not now. What do you think about the use of Article 142 in Ayodhya verdict? Why you want to join bank as law officer? Tell me something about yourself. Very important question. Prepare for this to sound optimistic. How agreements decide governing law? Two most important common clause in MSA which is common to all industry. Tell me the meaning of adverse possession. Tell me the meaning of adverse possession. Lawyers only can answer this. Tell me at least 5 difference between 1956 and 213 Company Act. Tell me different types of meetings under the Companies Act. Why IBPS SO, that is law officer? Why not PO and clerk? Where do you see yourself after 5 years from now on? How can you contribute towards the development and growth of our bank? Why you have given preference to this bank only? Tell me something about your achievements. What do you mean by the term banker's lien? This can be given to everybody because banks get separate right to have retain certain properties. Um, for example, jewel loan. Jewel loan, the jewel loan has been adjusted, but banker need not release the jewels in case he has the similar outstanding. I mean, the borrower has got some other outstanding in the same capacity. That is known as banker's lien. Why do you think there is a need for IBC? What do you think about code on wages? Do you, women director under company, do you think, do you think, do you think women director under Company Act 2013 was necessary? How will you differentiate between banks and NBFC? Tell me the latest constitutional amendments. I, yeah. Difference between compensation and damages, DRT limit, estoppel and types of section number, symbolic position, MACT, SURFACE latest amendment regarding jurisdiction, SURFACE on NBFC, latest amendments in banking laws, India's top advocates, mortgaged property को लीज पर दे सकते हैं. Full form of LLB, history of RTI Act, criminal appeal limitation period, SURFACE section 13 full explanation. District forum is headed by whom? DRT is headed by whom? RBI pays interest on CRR. Limitation for suit case. Deferred payment guarantee. Banks can invest in other company shares up to what percentage? Minimum number of directors in public and private company. What is back to back LC? Indemnity comes under which act? Case study for check payment. Choose correct answer among option where bank gets protection. Documents of title to goods. After Lok Adalat where one can file suit. National Commission age for presiding officer and his tenure. Acts of negotiable instrument. Characteristics of FEMA. Pay as you earn relates to which act? Equitable mortgage. About equitable mortgage. LIC policy again known called assignment. Case study to determine which type of charge is created. Relationship with bank and customer. Relationship with bank and customer in case of safe deposit locker. Lessor lessee. Number of parties involved in letter of credit guarantee. Letter of credit, what happens? The applicant who is importing, the bank which is opening LC, the bank through which LC is served, the beneficiary of the LC, the bank where the LC is negotiated. Guarantee, the person who is asking for applicant for guarantee, then the guarantee issuing bank, the government or some other party who is involved in this, and if any other co-obligant is taken, that one. And the contract. Loan against FD of other deposit is given or not. Loan against shares and debenture. Loan against debenture. 1 minute. Hold on. Debenture charge created called FEMA is regulated by. आज मेरा इंटरव्यू था लखनऊ में. बोर्ड वॉज गुड बट बहुत क्वेश्चंस उनको पास पूछते को. स्टार्ट विथ फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर. लॉ कब किया. इतने दिन क्या किया. किस तरह के मैटर्स डील किया. सेक्शन 375 क्या है. कंपनी लॉ कब का है. प्राइवेट कंपनी और पब्लिक कंपनी क्या है. नॉमिनेशन क्या है. ऐसा कौन सा कोर्ट है जहां एडवोकेट्स की जरूरत नहीं है. बैंक कंज्यूमर कोर्ट के डोमेन में आता है. सरफेसी एक्ट सेक्शन 17 से अपील कहाँ जाएगा. कितना अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा टू फाइल अपील इन DRAT. क्रिमिनल केसेस में स्टेट का क्या रोल है. क्रिमिनल केसेस में कंप्लेनेंट कौन होता है. व्हाट इज लॉ. Next, I was asked about tell me about your education and experiences. What kind of matters your law firm deals with? Do you have any bank panel? Then you mean to say you have no bank related matters experience? Is it so? Then what is section 138 of NI Act? What were the facts of the case of 138? Next few questions were from my case itself to cross check I was not lying. What is mortgage? What are its types? Name them. Simple mortgage versus registered mortgage. What is English mortgage? RRB deals with what kind of mortgage? Difference between simple mortgage and deposit of title deeds mortgage. Next few questions from execution. I did not know where were they from. Asked me latest judgment, if any, which affected banks. I answered SR Steel and Metal. Surface Act, they asked me something. I answered what I knew about Surface. Few more questions which I don't remember now. They were from IBC, CRPC. First, tell me about yourself. Stamp Act पूछा. अगर अंडर स्टैम्प एक्ट है तो उसको प्रोसेस बताओ. कंज्यूमर में क्या काम किया. 451 57 457 का मेन ग्राउंड क्या होता है. गाड़ी छुड़वाने का. हाई कोर्ट में आपने क्या काम किया. FDR पे अगर लोन दिया है एंड बैंक के एम्प्लॉई ने अगर बोरोयर को FDR फ्रॉड से निकाल के दे दी थी. एज लॉ ऑफिसर आप क्या करोगे. व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल जुरिस्डिक्शन ऑफ परमानेंट लोक अदालत. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ लॉ ऑफिसर इन बैंक. आप कहाँ प्रैक्टिस करते हो. टेल मी ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स नेम ऑफ दिल्ली. किसी के अंडर प्रैक्टिस करते हो या इंडिपेंडेंट. किस टाइप ऑफ केसेस करते हो. सिविल में किस किस टाइप केसेस. लीगल ऑफिसर का क्या काम होता है बैंक में. सरफेसी एक्ट क्या है. सरफेसी एक्ट हम अगर 30 डेज का नोटिस दिया जाता तो उस नोटिस को क्या कहा जाता है. ऑथेंटिकेशन को बैंक लीगल टर्म क्या बोला जाता है. नेम ऑफ योर कोर्ट सीनियर जज. लास्ट जो फंडामेंटल राइट ऐड किया गया था वो कौन सा था. HUF में अगर कर्ता की डेथ हो जाए तो फिर कर्ता कौन बनता है. NCLT क्या है. NCLT एंड DRT में क्या डिफरेंस है. बैंक किन किन एक्ट से डील करता है. किन किन और किस किस एक्ट. आई डोंट नो. NIA की फुल फॉर्म एंड डेट ऑफ एनफोर्समेंट क्या है. अरे भाई थैंक यू सो मच पारी शर्मा. थैंक्स टू पारी शर्मा. मिस पारी शर्मा for sharing this much of questions. All these questions can be of use for law officer, can be used for SBI, OBC, sorry, CBO, or it can be of use for Karnataka Bank, commerce graduates, PO interview, and other companies law officer interviews. Thank you so much. Best wishes.